This is how to set up Goat SDK locally on your machine. Head over to the GitHub repo. I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you probably already know where it is. If you prefer a textual guide, you can find that at the bottom section of the README page. Okay, let's set it up. The first thing is to clone the repository. I would select code, copy the URL to clone, head over to my terminal, clone the repo, which is just git clone, and paste the URL that you copied. That is going to download all the files from the GitHub repo to our machine. Now that we have the project successfully cloned, let us open this in our code editor. I'm going to punch in code dot, and that is going to open the project in my code editor. The next thing is to npm install the packages that Goat needs to work. To install our packages, we need to decide whether we are setting up the Python or TypeScript and navigate to the appropriate one. For this guide, I'll be setting up the TypeScript variant of Goat, and I will navigate to that in my code editor and then install the packages. Let's do that. cd into TypeScript. Now I am inside a Goat/TypeScript directory. Okay, now I can run my npm install. And that is going to download all the modules and packages that Goat relies on. Great, we now have the dependencies installed. If I go to my code editor, I can see that we have node modules installed right here. The next step now is to build the project. This is a very important step. I'm going to do npm build and wait for all the build magic to happen. Once the build process is completed, we can now run the examples and start working on the project. Quick tip to improve your developer experience while working on Goat. Goat comes with a Goat workspace setup that lays out all the folders you need at the root and makes it easier to navigate through these files. This is how to use it. If you already have Goat open in your Visual Studio Code, head over to File, select Open Workspace from File, and you can select the workspace and click Open, and immediately you can see an improvement in the folder structure. Previously, this is the original Goat folder. If you navigate to it, you need to open Goat, open TypeScript, go to examples, go to by framework. The file you need might be 3 levels deep. But with the workspace, everything is at the root. You can easily go into plugins, go into wallet, go into examples. If you are using the Python version, you can go to the adapters, etc. All right, that is how to set up Goat SDK on your machine. And also, I hope the quick tip helps you make your development experience better.